Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Tennessee onions, and I'll be starting the recipe off with a 9 by 13 inch pan that's been liberally sprayed with cooking spray. In here I have 4 Vidalia onions that I've sliced roughly 1/4 of an inch thick. And then I've also separated out all of the rings. Once those are evenly spread across the casserole dish, I'll season it up with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Once those are mixed together, they get liberally sprinkled across the top of the onions. In here I have 4 tablespoons of butter that I've cut into 8 roughly equal pieces, and I'll be placing those across the top of the casserole. And then lastly, I'll be layering on 3 different types of cheese, starting off with 1 cup of mozzarella, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and then lastly I'll sprinkle on 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. The onions are now ready to go into a 350 degree preheated oven where they're going to bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the cheese is melted and it starts turning golden brown. The Tennessee onions are out of the oven. After 40 minutes of cooking, the onions weren't quite tender enough, so I covered them with aluminum foil and allowed them to cook an additional 15 minutes until the onions were nice and tender. And now all I have left to do is dive in and try them out. This is probably one of the best onion side dishes I think I've ever had. I really like the combination of the cheeses. They all play well off of each other and each adds their own distinct flavor. I do get little hints of the oregano, and I like the creaminess that the onions have taken on as they've cooked down. Overall, this is an excellent recipe and one I look forward to making again in the future. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.